Okay, chefs, we do not waste time in this kitchen. While those beautiful pretzels are in the oven, we have a little bit of time to make our honey mustard dipping sauce. Isn't this so cute? Those came into your kit, and we don't have to use the whole thing at once. We're gonna start with like a spoon at a time, and you should have had 1 pack of Dijon mustard in your kit. I have mine like this. Actually, I'm gonna get another little spoon here, and what we're gonna do is little by little mix one and the other. So let's start with like a nice big spoon of honey. Okay. And then I'm gonna get a little bit of same amount of Dijon and mix it. I love how it changes color and it starts to look like that kind of dipping sauce that we know. And I like my Dijon dipping sauce a little bit on the spicy side. So I'm gonna add a little bit more Dijon. It's really up to you. You make the way you like it. And voila, so easy. You have your Dijon honey dipping sauce ready for those pretzels.